So now we're talking about PCOS in the meaning of polycystic ovary syndrome. In short, PCOS. So, ano
Go.
idea mo about this?
So, ang idea ko sa PCOS is yung, alam mo yun, may problema sila sa hormones.
Yes. Hormones? Yes,
Yeah.
that's right. Then,
Yeah.
parang irregular yung periods.
Mahirap magkaroon ng anak.
Yes.
Ay!
You're so good at this.
Sige. Sama mo naman.
Wait,
Saan ka
ano
nga lang tumawag, kailangan may ganun. Go.
So, polycystic ovary syndrome, in short, PCOS, is a problem with hormones that happens during the reproductive years. So, tama yung sinabi mo earlier na may problem sa hormones, irregular yung periods, mahirap magkaanak, pero it doesn't mean na hindi ka na talaga magkakaroon ng anak. There's still a chance if mape-prevent. Anyways, so, yung common symptoms of PCOS, ano yung mga alam mo about it?
Girl, ito yung pinaka-common na sa akin. Butiki. Yung lagi akong binobloated, promise.
Uh,
Araw ko yan.
mm
Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung, mabalbon ako, pero napansin ko na habang tumatagal, like, habang tumatanda ako, nagiging, alam mo, mabilis na ako magkaroon ng mga buhok-buhok kahit
mm
saan.
Oo.
Especially sa armpit, ganun. Basta hairy. Alam ko, symptoms din yun ng PCOS eh.
Oo, symptoms talaga siya.
And one for sure
Lalo
is
na
yung,
since mahirap na magkaroon, syempre, yung parang, ayun nga, nagkaka-bloated ka. Like,
yeah.
ayun nga, parang nagja-chubby yung face mo, ganyan. So, the common symptoms of PCOS is irregular periods. Nararanasan mo din ba to?
Yes. Lagi.
Like,
Actually,
months, grabe, di ba? Months
3
yung
months or
paglipas
6 months before.
mo. Okay. So, first is irregular periods. Having few menstrual periods or having periods that aren't irregular are common signs of PCOS. So, sabi mo nga, 3 months to 2 months, hindi ka nagkakaroon. So,
Mali,
siyempre,
6
since
months.
symptoms pa lang or signs yung meron ka, parang we're going to prevent it lang. So, ayun yung purpose if bakit tayo nandito today. So, second is too much androgen. High levels of the hormone androgen may result in excess facial and body hair. So, yun yung sinabi mo rin kanina. Okay. So, polycystic ovaries, your ovaries might be bigger. So, kaya siguro isa din yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng bloated.
Wait, may tanong ako. So,
Yes?
you mean, mararamdaman mo siya or hindi?
I think
Makikita lang sa through,
physical appearance, alam mo mostly kasi kapag may mga ganong, 'di ba more sa mga nakikilala nating may PCOS, may ano sila, body dysmorphia, 'di ba? Tulad ni
yeah.
Clarine. Ay, nasabi ko na. Tulad niya, 'di ba? Siyempre, hindi naman natin agad-agad nakikita or like kapag sa salamin. Pero kapag sinabi sa atin ng ibang tao, nako-conscious tayo. Wait. Causes of PCOS. Anong alam mo sa causes of PCOS? Like, ano yung nagiging dahilan?
Siguro sa sa mana. Mana din yan eh.
It's actually hereditary. Ayun no,
Yeah.
nasa
Kasi yung mom ko, meron din siyang PCOS eh.
even your sisters, right? So, ikaw lang yung may symptoms. Bali, maagapan pa lang. So, causes of PCOS first is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that the pancreas makes. It allows cells to use sugar, your body's primary energy supply. Second, low-grade inflammation. White blood cells make substances in response to infection or injury. Third, hereditary. Research suggests that certain genes might be linked to PCOS. So, yun yung sabi mo po kanina. I think yun yung pinaka-main cause mo if why ka may PCOS.
Yeah.
So, yun. Sa tingin mo ba pwedeng magamot yung PCOS?
Hindi. Kasi may napanood ako sa TikTok. Hindi na talaga siya like mawawala sa'yo. Kumbaga parang, aanoin mo na lang siya. What do you call this? Para
Prevent,
malet. Oo,
prevent
prevent.
and lessen.
Yeah.
So, can PCOS be treated? While there is no cure for PCOS, its symptoms can be managed with lifestyle changes, medication to regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms, and fertility treatments if needed. Complication of PCOS can include infertility, inflammation, depression, anxiety, and eating disorders. Eating disorders, isa rin yun kung bakit tayo nabo-bloated.
Mm-mm.
Siyempre, kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng, ano tawag dito? Increase of appetite, cravings. So, since yung PCOS hindi siya nagkakaroon ng masyadong period, ganun pa din yung nafe-feel since nai-stop ng PCOS yung normal period. So, since symptoms pa lang kamo yung nararamdaman mo is mahalaga if bakit kailangan natin magpa-consult agad. So, diagnosing PCOS early helps reduce symptoms like irregular periods, excess hair, acne, and weight gain, improving a woman's quality of life. It allows for proactive steps to prevent long-term health risks such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. For those wanting to conceive, early treatment can improve fertility. So, kapag kunwari may PCOS ka tapos gusto mo na magkaanak, syempre kailangan natin early treatment. Fertility outcomes and help manage pregnancy-related complications. Furthermore, early diagnosis enables access to mental health support for associated conditions like depression and anxiety. Overall, early intervention through lifestyle changes and medical treatments leads to better hormonal balance, regular cycles, and significantly improved quality of life.
Sarap. Ay. Cut mo na lang yun.
Okay. So, nutrition strategies for managing PCOS are focus on low glycemic index foods. So, what are low GI foods? Foods with a low glycemic index are digested and absorbed slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. These include whole grains, vegetables, and most fruits. So the benefits of these foods are helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is essential for managing insulin resistance in PCOS, reducing cravings, and improving weight loss. Second, incorporate healthy fats. Sources of healthy fat: avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are excellent sources of healthy fats. So the benefits of these healthy fats can help in reducing inflammation, a common issue in women with because omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, and lower androgen levels. Third, prioritize lean protein. Why lean protein? Chicken, turkey, tofu are examples of lean proteins that can help in managing hunger and reducing the risk of insulin spikes. Benefits are protein-rich food can keep you full for longer, help in stabilizing blood sugars level, and support muscle mass, especially when combined with regular exercise. Fourth, embrace fiber-rich foods. Fiber sources, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes are rich
Legume.
in fiber. You should eat that, girl. Benefits are fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps in preventing blood sugar spikes. It also aids in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Fifth, limit processed foods and sugars. Why avoid these? Processed foods and sugary snacks can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and increase insulin resistance. Benefits are reducing intake of refined sugars and processed foods can help in managing weight, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing the risk of developing diabetes. 6. Consider the role of supplements. Common supplements are inositol, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids are often recommended for women with PCOS. Benefits in inositol has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate menstrual cycles, while vitamin D and omega-3s can reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. The lifestyle changes to complement nutrition. Regular exercise, engaging in both aerobic and resistance training exercise can improve insulin sensitivity, support weight loss, and boost mood. Stress management, high stress level can exacerbate hormonal imbalance. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help in managing stress. Adequate sleep, poor sleep can worsen insulin resistance and contribute to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Are you sleeping 7 to
No.
8 hours?
No.
Oh, so yeah, we're done. May questions ka po ba?
Oo.
Ano?
Di ba kahit ano,
Oo,
like kahit kahit regular period ka, monthly ka nagkakaroon, possible pa rin magkaroon ka ng PCOS, di ba?
possible pa din. Baka kasi, ano lang, hindi pa siya ganun kaano sa
Lala.
genes mo. Since genes naman ang common or hereditary. Yeah. Pero ano lang, minsan regular yung period mo, so akala mo normal lang the next month, parang irregular na. So it's getting confusing. Kaya consultation is the best.
Ayun lang, kasi ano, yung friend ko, she's asking me if regular ba yung period ko or hindi. Told her na hindi since I'm stressed and yeah.
Any questions?
None. I
Okay,
like your
thank you.
presentation, by the way.
Thank you. Okay na?
Wow.